Jono here, Marketing Manager from Tradesales. Spring has sprung. It is a beautiful day out here. We're out at the Tradesales factory in Cunderdin, which is about 2 hours east of Perth. Out here obviously to see all my teammates, but also to have a look at some of the work in progress. One of the big jobs that we have on right now is this one here for Fortescue Metals Group. Basically, we've got 8 modified sea containers, and how they're going to stack up is 4 on either side of a massive dome shelter, and they're going to be stacked 2 high, so 2 by 2 and 4 on each side. So on the ground floor we'll have 2 of these on each side, and it's more of a storage unit, but heavy duty. So we've fitted this out with electricity for people to power up their power tools, and also some of these heavy duty racks that we sell as well. But we've made it a turnkey unit, so they'll be on the ground floor. And you can also see that because this is more storage, there's no need for air conditioning and things like that, but there still is a lot of electrical componentry that goes into it, as you can see. And then on the top floor there'll be some stairs leading up to these, and these would be more like respite areas and offices, and in there they've been fully decked out, so with lots of insulation to keep you cool, big air conditioning units, lots of power, and main boards going in there, and then in between is the dome shelter. So up on the second floor, the units that are going to be the second floor, you can see the hitches to hook to the dome shelter on either side. So it's a pretty exciting project for us and Fortescue Metals Groups, and the guys are working really hard to punch this one out and make it a good one. So hop on the website or the LinkedIn page, look up Tradesales, and we'll give you some more information on this one as it happens.